Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I am a subject teacher of GK and in this video we are going to discuss about chapter number 15 and chapter name is safety rules. Chapter name is safety rules. So student, first of all I am going to explain about what is safety rules. What is safety rules? Now look at what are safety rules. Safety rules help us stay safe and away from harm, so we should always follow them. So here student, safety rules means the rules that stay safe from harm, any harm, like when kids didn't know what is safe and what is unsafe for them, then they should know which is safe and which is unsafe for them. So student, safety rules is very necessary for students and any kids, so we should always follow them because safety rules keep us safe from any harm, so we should always follow them. Now look at the safety rules that you should follow at home. Safety rules that you should follow at home. First one is do not play with fire. So student, we should not play with fire because fire is a very danger and fire may provide many harms. So we should always away from fire because fire is very dangerous. Now look at second. Do not play with sharp objects like knives or blades. They may hurt you. So student, you should not play with sharp objects like knives or blade because it is a very sharp and it may hurt you. It may hurt you. So you should away from this object. Now come on, third number. Third, do not touch electric wires or switches with wet hand. So student, we should not touch electric wires or switches with wet hand because electric easily pass in wet hand because electricity can easily passes in wet hand, so we should not touch the electric wire or switches with wet hand because you may get an electric shock. An electric shot may hurt you, so you should always away from electric wire or switches. Now look at next. Do not lean over a balcony railing. So student, here do not lean or do not climb over a balcony railing because when you climb over a balcony railing, then you can fall from this and you may hurt. So you should not lean or climb over a balcony railing. So student, now look at next that you should follow. Safety rules at school. Safety rules at school. So here student, there are some safety rules that you should follow at school. First one is walk, do not run in hall or stairway. So student, first of all, in school you should not walk in the hall or stairways because if you fall on the stairways, then you may hurt. So you should not run. Second is don't push people while walking. So student, don't push or pull people while walking because People can fall and hurt and may hurt. So you should not push or pull any student or any friends while walking. Now look at next. That is third. Keep to the right in corridor and on stairways. So student, you should be right in corridor and on stairways, and don't run in corridor and on stairways. Now look at fourth. Use each step going up and down stairs. So student, in school when you climb on the stairs, then you should not skip any step. You should use each step going up and down stairs. Now look at next. That is fifth. Be ready to grab the handrails if you slip. So student, if you climb on the stairs, then you should grab the handrails. If you feel sleepy, then you should grab the handrails. Now look at next. That is fifth. Here there is a missing of P. So keep classroom assholes clear. So student, you should keep your classroom clear and clean. Don't throw dust here and there. Now look at next. Don't keep your feet along a side. Don't put your feet anywhere, any corner of your class, because in any corner there may be a harmful insect, and harmful insect harms you. So you should not put your feet along aisles. Now next is traffic signals rules. Traffic signals rule means traffic light or traffic signal are light used to control the movement of traffic. They are placed on road at intersection and crossing. The different color of light tell driver what to do. So student, here traffic signal means lights used to control the movement of traffic, and they are placed on road at intersection and crossing. Traffic signal control the movement of traffic and tell driver what to do, when to stop, when go, and when ready to go. So student, traffic signal tell us about all of this. And there are three colors in traffic signals. This is the traffic signal. There are three colors. First one is red, second yellow, and next is green. So what does red light means? Red light means stop. When the red light means you should stop. Red light says you should stop. Second, green light. What does green light means? Green light says you should go. Look at third. What does the yellow light means? Here yellow light says slows down and ready to stop. So student, I hope you all understand about the safety rules and safety rules at home, safety rules at school, and traffic signals. So student, I hope you all understand about this, and you have to read and learn about the safety rules at school, at home, and traffic signals rule. This is your today's homework. That's all, and thank you.